A brief public scare of a suspected UFO appearance or a North Korean missile launch was triggered in South Korea on Friday. Post the scare, the South Korean military confirmed that it was not a UFO or a missile launched by North Korea, but a solid-fueled rocket which it test-fired. The Defense Ministry said in a statement that the rocket launch was a part of its efforts to build a space-based surveillance capability and bolster its defense posture. The military further stated that the general public was not notified about the rocket's launch in advance because it included sensitive security issues related to the military. A twisty tendril of vapor in white to red ombre could be seen snaking behind a bright white light in parts of South Korea's sky on Friday evening. South Korean social media and internet sites were abuzz with messages by citizens who said that they saw a soaring object, rainbow-colored vapor trail, or other mysterious lights. Some also posted photos and videos. Some even suspected that the appearance of light was a supernatural phenomenon. On Twitter, user wrote, "What is this? Is this a UFO? I am scared." Another user stated that perhaps it was a missile launched by North Korea and worried that a war is going to start, while someone else said that a signal is being sent back by a North Korean spy operating in South Korea back to the north. South Korean emergency officers and police received hundreds of citizens' reports of witnessing a suspicious flying object and mysterious lights across the country, according to local media. The South Korean rocket launch came 4 days after the South accused the North of flying 5 drones across the rival's border on Monday for the first time in 5 years. South Korea's military detected the drones but failed to shoot them down, causing security concerns about its air defense network. The military later offered a rare apology for that. South Korean officials said that they plan to use a solid-fueled rocket to put the nation's first spy satellite into the orbit. In March, South Korea conducted its first successful launch of a solid-fuel rocket. The test on Friday was a follow-up of the March launch as per the country's military. Solid-fuel rockets reduce the launch times, have simpler structures, and are cheaper to develop and manufacture than the liquid-fuel rockets, the South Korean officials said. North Korea is also pushing to develop its first military surveillance satellite and other high-tech weapon system to cope with what it calls US hostility. Earlier this year, North Korea performed a record number of missile tests in what experts call a bid to perfect its nuclear weapons technology and boost its leverage in future dealings with the United States.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.